I noticed that I was starting to get thumb pain from holding my cell phone. So I discovered that other people have these little gadgets on the backs of their phones that they just pop out, and then you slide your forefinger and you just put it in the web between these two fingers, and then you don't have to use your thumb at all. So I got one of these little things and I thought, this is good. But I don't want to hold the phone at all sometimes. So the thing is, you can pop that little thing, just push the button back, and then get one of these little stands. And you can put your phone in the little tray there, and you can make it higher, you can make it lower just by adjusting the stand. Then you can look at your phone, you can talk on your phone on speakerphone, but you don't have to hold it. So that's what I would recommend. I don't have any financial interest in either one of these products, so I'm sure that you'll find something. They're pretty widely available for yourself. And I encourage you to use these things because even if you don't have thumb pain right now, you certainly don't want to get it. So take care of your hands, and we'll see you next time.